All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your shortcuts. All right, so if you look at your touch screen, you're going to see 4 circles with icons in them that are right around whatever mode you're shooting. I've got it in photo, but it works for everything. If I go to video, it's the same thing. It's got those 4 things in there. And those are things that you probably use a lot. So you're probably going to want to have those things there so you can do really quick, editing and changing of, your lens, your frame rate, your zoom, and things of that nature. But if you wanted to set these to whatever you want, you can do that by doing an advanced edit. So you open up this page by touching your mode, right? Then you go to this little, edit icon, and then now you're in your photo edit. And if you slide down, you're going to see it says shortcuts. All right. So right now we've got on the lower left, we got output. And that's, are you going to have a raw film? Are you going to have like the amount of information that the camera captures is your output? Raw is like if you ever use a DS, a regular camera, you shoot raw, that's the best to edit on post. Now over here, you got on the lower right, you got zoom, and the lower left, you got timer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how you change it. If I click this one here, and I'm just going to put it to zoom. I'm going to put it to zoom. Now, I've already got a zoom on there, so when we go back, you're going to see that. Now, to get out of this, you're going to pull this way, and then you're going to slide this down. You're going to click here, and you're going to click there. And if you look, there's 2 zoom icons. That's that little spyglass. Well, I don't want to do that, so now let's go back, and let's hit that, and let's go down. And there's 2 ways you can change it, right? I could just hit one of these here, or, I could go like this, and I could, put it to timer or whatever. You know what I mean? Or I could just go restore factory. So the factory is going to give me the ones that it thinks is the best. And then if we go back, you'll see it's the exact same way it was before. It's got the timer, it's got the lens, it's got the output up here, and it's got the zoom there. And those are your shortcuts. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how you can do stuff on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. Peace out.